Hey there, lovelies, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today we're gonna just jump right in. I'm super excited to get back into makeuping. So, see what we come up with the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. This is also my first time trying them, so it's a first impression for me. Super excited because I mean, there's been nothing but great raving reviews about just this brand in general. So, let's get started, and I'll tell you a little bit about the product, of course, too, and we'll start it off with some swatches, and then we'll go crazy with full-on look. So, let me go ahead and just tell you a little bit about it at first. So it's each Huda Beauty Obsession eyeshadow palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Amethyst has 6 duochrome and 3 matte shades in commanding mauve and violet tones. I love those tones. I love all those tones. And it's $27 on the Huda site. And but this one came in BoxyCharm, if anybody remembers. So we're just gonna go in and jump into these swatches. All right. Dude, these chromes. I have a thing for chromes lately. The multi-chromes. Well, I want a multi-chrome, but like the, what is it? Double chrome or, yeah. So we're going to go in with this one first. Oh, that's pretty already. And we're going to go in with this one. Pretty. This one. And this one. They don't have any, it's very light. And we're going to take one more. This one. They don't have names. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh, let's do our chest swatches today. Wow. Okay. Ooh, it's really pretty. Pretty sheer though, but it's really pretty. That's pretty too. I expected that one to be a little more pigmented, but so, oh gosh, yeah, definitely buildable. This one, buildable. Yeah, they're all pretty buildable, I would say. Yikes, wow. Okay, now we're talking. Yep. Yeah, so they're very buildable. Let's see how well they blend now. I don't think I did this color. Oh my gosh, I knew that was going to be my favorite color out of the whole thing. Can y'all see that? Really pretty. That would even look pretty as like a topper over some black or something. That's what I would do. I would do like black and then put that as a topper. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and start with just a blending brush. We're gonna put what color is? Put this color all over the bottom, just as a little base. Yeah, we're gonna definitely gonna build the color. Okay, and I'm going into my crease too. Oop. Some fallout right there a little bit. Okay, so you might want to tap the brush a little bit before you do all that. This is really just a base, a starting point, a buildable point. blend the edges out. Okay. It's very pretty. It goes on easy. So yeah, that glides on pretty easy. Yeah, so next we're gonna take a smaller brush. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna take this one in on the corner over here. Okay, this isn't going on very well. It's like they're so smooth, like they're almost creamy. There it goes. The fallout sure is coming though. I'm gonna try my finger. Okay, blending this out on the top a little bit. Okay, so I can definitely see why people flock to this brand, as it's good quality. Yeah, I had a little trouble with picking up this eyeshadow a little bit, but I got that all figured out. Next, I'm gonna take, geez, that's really pretty. It's just one down in the corner. It's like really pretty, but you can't even see the double chrome or whatever it is. But I think this one is my favorite, so I'm gonna take this one, middle one, with my finger. Oh yeah. And that first shade that we put all over our eyelid, like, we don't even need another color, because this one can very well be used alone. Oh my god, this is like brilliant looking. Like, I wish I could see the sparkles in this. Yeah. I kind of want to put this all over my eyelid. I just want to wear it everywhere. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Help, I can't stop putting this color on. And it's like already enough, but oh my. I wish I could see this better. And let's continue. We're gonna finish up the look. Let's go with, I'm gonna grab a brush and we're gonna go with this color underneath. Like, I want color. I want color. We're gonna try a different brush. Definitely better with this brush, a flat brush. I'm thinking I need to try the red. No, okay, maybe not the red. I think I need to try the green and the blue. Those are looking really pretty. If I'm liking these this much, I'm gonna like those too. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you could just do some black and, you know, and then attach it to eyeliner if you do eyeliner. I think that would look really pretty. That might be something that I would do too as well. Actually, I think I'm going to put a little bit of black. Again, for depth, because by now I am swimming the deep sea ocean. That's how deep I'm going. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm going to take a little brush and I'm going to get this baby right here. Ooh. See all that color on there? Ooh, it just turned it into a different color. Wow, this palette is pretty fun. Like, you can mix, like, yeah, crazy. Okay, guys, so I decided to go big or go home with the purple and went ahead and here's the finished look. I did the purple on the lips too, the purple glitteries. I'm loving this palette. It started out kind of rough with this color, darker color, but it's blendable, not patchy, buildable. I can already tell you that this one right here, this little baby right here, is going to be like my new best friend. This is like gonna be the one, my go-to from now on. I love like sheer sparklies with a little bit of color, an everyday look. So it's the same color over and over. I love it. And y'all can't see the sparklies. It's like y'all just can't see the sparklies that well. There's a little bit, but it's just not like, it's just not doing it justice. So, I am definitely going to get the others. It's a good palette. My first impression, was that I'm in love. I love you, baby. So yeah, I will leave the link down below to its website and happy makeuping. Thank you for the request. I love doing a look for you guys, and everybody be safe and happy. Thanks guys, bye.